Hi everyone, this is Srinivas from Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, I am going to explain how to display the elements of a list using forEach method. See, in JDK8, we have already discussed the importance of forEach method. Right? Using the forEach method, right? How can we display the contents of a list? See, let me write one code, just class code. All related collection related classes belongs to util package java.util. Simply I am writing star. Right, inside this class we are defining the main method, just public static void main string args. Here I am creating the list. The list is taking only integers. So that is the list I am creating. So how can we create that list? List with integer objects. Integer. I am taking just list is equal to new. One of the implemented classes I am taking ArrayList of integer type. We are specifying the generic type also. So now we are adding some elements. List dot add of some values we are adding 10. List dot add of 20. List dot add of 30. So all these things we are adding. List dot add of 40. Like this, all elements we added. Now we need to display the elements of this list using forEach method. We know that we already discussed that forEach method belongs to that iterator interface. It is the default interface. It is applicable to all collections. So simply we are calling that list dot. The method we are using forEach method list dot forEach. So whenever we are using this one, from this list each object will come out. That object we are collecting into any variable. Suppose we are collecting into variable x. Then we are printing. Here I am using that lambda expression. Consider this is one element, but here it is we considered as a parameter to lambda expression. forEach method is taking that lambda expression object as an input or method reference as an input. So anything you can pass. So here it is, every element whenever we are collecting into x, whatever the operation you want to perform, that you can. System dot out dot println, we are printing that x value. In a single line we can display the elements of list using forEach method. As I told you that forEach method is taking not only the lambda expression, we can pass the method reference also. The method reference concept also we completed already. So using that method reference, how can we do that? List dot forEach of directly you can pass the method reference system dot out, the scope resolution operator, the println method we are taking. This is passing the method reference. Sir, I just want to display. I don't want to perform any operation. Then it is recommended to pass the method reference as an input to forEach instead of that lambda expression. So when we go with lambda expression, sir, I just want to print the double value of this one x. Suppose 10, I want to make it double. Here we never use that x. But here whenever you are collecting x, just x into x or 2 into x, like that. Any operation if you want to perform, then we can use this lambda expression. No sir, I just want to display or I want to perform any operation inside the method, then we go with the method reference. See here, from this list, element by element we are passing that value directly we are giving to println method and it will display. Any one you can use. So this is the simple way of displaying all elements of list using forEach method. Hope you understood. Thank you all.